Welcome back, guys. We have a Suzuki SX4 2011 with the 2-liter engine. The car doesn't start, so we're suspecting could be the starter motor. We don't know, or something else. So we're gonna start with the diagnostic. But right now, the only thing I want to check if we have any power. This can indicate we do have power. And what about the windows? The windows go down easily. So this is telling me we have no problem with the power. Let's see what it does, if it does a click or something. It does nothing. Well, guys, first things first. Make sure your engine has oil, and it does. Now I'm gonna try to turn the engine by hand, just to make sure there's nothing else mechanical problems that we have. Maybe your starter is good, but it's just cannot turn the engine because the engine is mechanically is bad. So wanna make sure, go on the have a look at that before even touching everything else. As you can see, there's a hole here through the plastic, and that's exactly where it's gonna be directed to your bolt. That is you're gonna be able to turn the crankshaft engine. So put a box there, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 21 millimeters. Turn the engine. Just make sure we don't have any mechanical problem. After you do that, we can just go ahead and go to see if we have signal at the starter motor. All right, guys, so I'm trying to look around, but I don't see the starter. It might be behind by experience, so I'm gonna lift it up to see what we can find. All right, let's lift it up. I have my assistants here. Robert, my good friend Robert. Just start with the base, guys. Trying to look for obvious things like a loose battery pulse or anything, but I'm not suspecting it's the battery because we have a good power source. The windows go up and down quite easy. Yeah, that's good, Bob. Thank you. So, oh yeah, it's right there. It's on the back of the engine, which I don't like, but we must do it. There it is, guys. There it is. We just gotta reach the signal cable, and it looks kind of rusty, so I would not be surprised if this is our problem. But first I gotta reach that signal cable, and we're gonna test if you have any signal. This is the cable, the signal cable. It was hard to take it off, but as you can see, we have a rust in the contacts, so it can be one of the issues. But what I want to know now, if you have any power. It's a little bit tight here to set the camera, but we have this cable right there. I have my tester. Make sure you have a good ground, and my friend is gonna try to crank it. If I see some power there, that means our starter motor is busted. Okay, I'm gonna try to make a good contact there. Okay, Robert, try it. Try it, yeah. Yeah, we have some power, guys, and we exactly have. Let's see how much power we have. Try it again. 11.5 volts is the battery voltage. So I think our issue is the starter motor, guys. So yeah, it's gonna be tight to get it off, but as you can see, you have the big cable from the battery. Let me see, right there. This is the big cable from the battery. We have one bolt there, and probably the other one, I don't know if you can reach it from the bottom here, or we have to go on the top of the engine, but it's holding by two bolts, battery cable, and the signal wire, which is this one. I can see I have a little bit of rust there, but yeah. All right, guys, one more trick that I know. We put back the signal cable. I'm gonna try to smash it with a hammer a little bit. Sometimes that makes the starter motor make it to work. All right, Bob, do it. Nope.
It looks like a starter.
Yeah, we have starter motor.
Could you?
All right, doesn't work. Okay. Oh guys, we have the new part right here. It's from a Napa part. We have the part number right here. If you want to take the shot right there, it's from Napa. And as you can see, we, as I said, we have two bolts. The one here next to the signal wire, as you can see right here, and the one on the top is the one is gonna be hotter. But what I can see now, that the bolt doesn't come this way; it comes from the other side, on this side. So we probably need to go on the top of the engine to remove all the air filter box, and we gotta remove all that to get access to this bolt. Yeah. So let's have a look how it's gonna be, how hard it's gonna be. Well, we have the air filter box right here, so we probably have to remove this one in order to see the bolt from the top. Shouldn't be that hard, but this is just a cover. Just pull up and that's it. We're pulling out. It's going, it has these pins, just pull them up. It's by went in by pressure. We got this hose to remove right there. It's I think it's a 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter. We need an 8 millimeter box to remove that clamp right there. And we have the map sensor. We press this tab down. We pull out carefully. Also, we have this to remove. It's quite easy, quite simple. We have one 10 millimeters right there. All right, guys, I disconnect the negative battery pole. It's very important. So let's go back. Don't drop the ball as I did. All right, guys, we got this hose. Remove is holding by 8 millimeters. Loose this up. You got also these air hoses that it goes in there. I think you can just pull out carefully. You should be able to get it out right there. Okay. Pull this out. You lift this up. All right, right there, you pull up, work it around until we're able to remove the whole thing. All right, we got it. There's the whole thing right there. And we got these two little pins on the bottom, plastic pins. Same thing, you just pull up and they should be able to get out. Put it on the side, and now we're going to have a look where is this bolt is located. All right, it's just right there. There's the bolt that we need to get out. It's right there. That bolt, remove that bolt. The one on the bottom, and you hold starter, you should be able to get out your starter. Well, guys, we have a better view right now. What we're supposed to do. We gotta remove that bolt right there. We gotta remove that bracket. Well, in order to remove this bracket, we need a 12 millimeter box. Gotta pull the hoses right there. All right, let's get that bolt out of the way. Okay, got it. We got actually this bracket is connected to this pipe that is going all the way to this bolt right here. It's one piece. So basically, this is the piece where you seat your airbox filter. As you can see right there, this is where the pins enter. So that's the one is causing problem to reach our bolt. So there's two bolts holding this base. Pretty easy. There's the other one right there. You should be able to get it out. Whoa. Well, as you can see, with a little bit of help on my bungee, I was able to lift this hose and the base, and that's what we have right here. That's the bolt we have to remove. We have plenty of space. Alright, so I'm using my 14mm box, semi-long. Let's try it. Oh, well, that was tight. Here we go. Yes, we got it. We got the first bolt, the most difficult. Here we go. There it is. And I'm using my long ratchet, 3/8 long ratchet right there. And we have like 1,000 extensions to reach the bolt all the way up there. That's it. We're gonna give it a shot. Alright, let's see how tight it is. Oh, okay. Not that bad. Let's bring it in. It's right there. Battery cable nut. It's a 13mm. Alright. Oh, got it. Here we go. I'm gonna wiggle the starter, it's probably stuck in there. Really stuck. Now it's gonna pass through between the transmission shaft and the subframe. We should be able to get it out. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna show you. You squeeze it between the nerve. And there you go. There you have it. A rusty starter motor. Well, the installation is the opposite of removal. So we're going to start with the bottom one. I'm not going to tighten it all the way. I'm just going to snug it like this. If you have to move the starter a little bit to guide the other one on the top, you should be able to do it, but it should be all right. I'm just going to snug it there, and I'm gonna move it ready to put the battery cable. All right, I feel this is snug there. I just give a little bit more, and that's all you need, not too tight. I put back the cover, rubber cover here. Here we go. And now you can go ahead and put the signal wire on right there. Just right on the bottom next to it. Okay. Just push the connector in. Make sure it's snug there. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and trying to guide the bolt in the top. There you go, guys. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this up, not too tight. Remember, the starter is an aluminum material, so You don't want to tighten this too much. I just want to snug it and just a little bit more, and it should be enough. I don't know the specific torque for this, but you should not be that much. Okay, it's snug now. Once it's snug, you just give it a little bit more. That should be enough. Put all the air filter box. It's the opposite of removal, and we're gonna test the car to see if the finger cross, if that works. Should be okay. Well, there you have it, guys. It's all installed and shiny. Now let's give it a try. All right, now of course don't forget to connect the battery. All right, let's try it. There you have it. That was our problem there. Well, there you have it, guys. The car is working now, as you can see. That's new. So please, guys, leave the comments below. Feel free to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Consider doing it. And as always, guys, I will try to upload more videos more often. But I hope this information was very helpful to you. And thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao.